Akara and moi moi get the same parents. Now waiting them go through. Now make them different. This is a popular proverbs about food in Nigerian Pidgin English. Welcome to BDMP, breaking down Nigerian Pidgin English. I'm Bafo. Nigerian food represents a cuisine of more than 250 ethnic groups. It shares many similarities with the cuisines of its West African and Central African neighbors like Ghana, Benin, and Cameroon. Nigerian food is an African cuisine not to be missed. It contains so much flavor, herbs, nuts, vegetables, colors, ingredients, and spices. It can be termed a feast for both the eyes and the stomach. Prominent among these cuisines are gari, popularly known as eba. We also have akpu, amala, pounded yam, starch, banga soup, egusi soup, ogbono, jollof rice, suya, cow leg, liver, assorted, plantain, ewedu gbegiri, efo riro, fresh fish, dry fish, catfish, tuwo shinkafa, edikaiko, ofe nsala, oha soup, ofada rice and stew, pomo, okporoko, orishirishi. Hunger don dey catch me. Lagos and most Nigerian cities have lots of local street canteens called Buka or Mama Put that one can enjoy these delicacies. This lesson is to teach you how to order food in a restaurant or Buka in Nigerian Pidgin English. However, I can teach you how without describing some of these foods and drinks. Jollof rice, a seasoned tomate rice dish. It is eaten at every party. It is usually eaten with side dishes such as fried plantain, vegetable salad with cream, coleslaw, and moi moi, the bean pudding, in addition to proteins like beef, chicken, turkey, and fish. Inyo, pounded yam, similar to mashed potatoes. Inyo is a bunch of yam pieces pounded or mashed using a mortar and pestle, blender, or mixer. Amala, yam flour, cassava flour, plantain flour. Amala is a delicacy common in the southwestern part of Nigeria, majorly among the Yorubas. There are 3 variations of amala: yam flour, cassava flour, and plantain flour. Ogbono soup, African mango seed soup. Ogbono is a draw slippery soup made from blended ogbono, the African mango seeds. This soup is predominant in the southeastern part of Nigeria among the Igbos, but it is also enjoyed in the southwest of Nigeria. Pepper soup. Pepper soup is one of the most popular types of soup in Africa. It is a spicy and watery soup made with peppers and an assortment of meat like goat, chicken, oxtail, or fish. Suya, spicy grilled kebab. Suya is a flavorful Nigerian dish from the northern part of Nigeria. It is a Hausa specialty, made by grilling pieces of skewered meat, especially beef, added with salt, onions, ground peanut, pepper, and other spices. Kilishi is a dried version of suya made with beef, goat, lamb. It's basically the Nigerian version of jerky. Egusi, melon seed soup. Egusi is a nutritious and delicious soup made from melon seed. It is made with palm oil, spinach, or any desired vegetables like peppers, tomatoes, added with beef, cow skin, which we call pomo, fish, and other condiments. Eba. Eba, also sometimes called gari, which is a cassava meal, is a Nigerian dish made from fermented dried cassava flakes that has been made into dough. And we eat it most of the time with different kind of soup. Beans and dodo. Fried plantain is called dodo. Beans and dodo is another popular Nigerian food. It can be eaten at any time of the day. As a matter of fact, this is my favorite. Tuwo shinkafa. Tuwo shinkafa is a type of Nigerian swallow food associated with the Hausa people of northern Nigeria. It's traditionally made with short grain rice. Banga soup refers to a hearty Niger Delta style soup made with palm nut. It's native to the Urhobo and Ijaw people in Nigerian Niger Delta region. Edikaikon soup. Edikaikon soup refers to a type of Nigerian vegetable soup dish native to the Efik people of the southern Nigeria. Eforiro. Eforiro is another Nigerian dish native to the Yoruba people. It refers to one pot spinach stew made with red bell peppers, locust beans, onions, palm oil, African crayfish, and stockfish. In Yoruba language, efo refers to the spinach, while riro means to stir. Moi moi, it is made from beans which are peeled and blended into paste with oil, onions, and pepper. We also have popular drinks that you can get in these bukas and canteens. Pure water, a sachet water. Mineral, which is actually soft drinks or soda. We also have juices like malt drinks, beer, and big stout, popularly known as Odeku, which is a favorite for many. We have some popular snacks like guguru anekpa, boli anekpa, pekere, which is plantain chips. We have chin chin, pop puff, akara, fried beans, kuli kuli, gala. Now let's delve into the expressions to order food in a buka or mama put restaurant. I want chop or I dey hitch. A definite must-use phrase in a country renowned for its amazing food. I want chop or I dey hitch means I'm hungry and want to eat. You can also say, hunger dey catch me. When one gets to the buka, the first expression to use is, who dey here? Wetin una get today? Madam, wetin dey? Which kind food una get? Una get eba? Panla dey? What about assorted, orishirishi? How much be una meat, fish, and assorted? How much be wrap of eba, fufu, pounded yam? How much be una plate of jollof rice? And when you're ready to order, you can say, Oya, give me 2 wraps of amala and gbegiri, 2K, assorted and 1 pure water. Abeg, give me 1 plate of jollof rice and dodo. Abeg, give me 2 bottles of beer, 1 odeku. Where pure water? You can actually choose the meat or fish you want in a big pot of soup by pointing at it. Give me that one. That big meat. That pomo. No, I don't want that one. Abeg, change am. When the food is being dished, you can say, put jara. This one too small now. Put more jara. The word jara is derived from the Yoruba language, and it means to add extra or give a freebie after something has been already been bought or paid for. For example, when serving a dish as a buka or a restaurant, customers can usually be found asking for jara, at which point the seller might add an extra piece of meat or scoop of rice at his or her own discretion. When ready to eat your swallow, you can ask this question. With water and soap to wash hand? If you're having regular food that use utensils, you can say, abeg bring me spoon, fork, or knife. And after you finish eating and you are not satisfied, you can say, I no belle full, abeg give me extra eba, extra rice. When you're done eating, you can say, the food enter body, or the food sweet well well. This is to express your pleasure and congratulate the chef. This food sweet well well is the best way to give thanks and impress the food seller.